So basically what we are going to cover today, we are going to cover whatever we did yesterday on the lesson, as well as we'll be finishing the Bugzilla. Phase, coding phase, testing phase. We also learn about different phase, so on and so coding testing, right? So basically started earlier Bugzilla, wherein what is Bugzilla? So basically Bugzilla is a defect tracking reporting tool where we'll be able to report, track our bugs. We already discussed about Bugzilla and what are the stages. Whenever we found a bug, we write test cases, plan test cases, then we find a bug. It is new. When it is open, it means it is already gone for the assignment. Then once it is assigned to a particular developer, it can be rejected or deferred. If it is rejected, then it will be reopened. Say for an example, if it is rejected, then it will be again go to the tester for testing purpose. If it is assigned and test is fast, then it will come to test phases. Test phase is wherein once the developer get fix the things, they will again test it. If tester find the bug is still there, he or she will report it and it will be again reopened to the developer. Once it is verified, it will be taken as closed testing, right? So this is the steps of how a bug lifecycle work. Bug lifecycle is a very important thing. Defect reporting through Bugzilla, how we are going to do that? So here you have to test even a Mozilla product and find the defect account. Use dynamic testing strategy here. Once you have found the defect, report it using Bugzilla tool. Before reporting the bug, you have to create an account on Bugzilla. You can also download the desktop application, Android and iOS application. Now guys, the product, the tool that is Bugzilla, that is purely designed by Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so that's why it is written as Mozilla product. Let's see. Okay, so with this our module 9th will also be completed. So we'll be just saying to the screen and we'll be seeing how to download. So the first step to download a Bugzilla, we do have a different kind of different kind of method to download Bugzilla for Windows. So we can download the application or we can also download it from the GitHub, Git clone, and elsewhere we can also run Bugzilla from web application like we use the web browser. So these are the methods that we can download Bugzilla. So in order to download Bugzilla, what you need to do, go to the Google, type Bugzilla over here, okay, Bugzilla web application. It's application, it's basically kind of extension, but yeah. To write Bugzilla web application, you find a lot of, you need to choose the first one, which is bugzilla.org. Now choose the bugzilla.org, it will redirect the Bugzilla's official main pages. Now here if you download the application for your desktop, for your Android, for your iOS, do that. If you don't want, you can just simply what you need to do. This is how the bug will look. Now if you don't know how to install the application or you don't have that much tech knowledge, what you can do, you can simply go and read the installation instruction. Okay, so if I click on the installation instruction, it will tell me that it has to be done to download Bugzilla. So for the far way, maintain upgrade Bugzilla is a checkout from the appropriate installation and installation and type. There are different versions also available for development as snapshot, stable, depending on the platform. Are you a developer or a tester? Based on that you can. But for a tester, you don't need to download. It is not mandatory to download Bugzilla application with your web browser. Now, in different, for example, get the different option. This will look the entire interface. This interface is different. Interface is So in the Bugzilla website, so you will be able to find that new account. That's for Bugzilla. To download the Bugzilla, you have to put your email ID to get started if you already have an account. So in my case, when I put my email ID, it shows the account already exists, right? So it means that I have somewhere created the account, able to save now. Okay, forget the user ID. So I have to enter my email and the correct password in order to gain access to the account. Correct. Here I am putting my password. Okay. Now I can login. It says that email will be like that. It will be verified, right? So I have to check it with my email whether I receive it or not. From there I will be creating. You can always start with creating a new the base option, right? So that you will be able to figure out that whatever it is written in the error section, you can just read it, and once you read it, you can just able to know, do follow the same. Okay, so a mail will be marked on my email that whether I received any ID or not. Okay, it's a mail. Okay, and we'll be able to reset our. Okay, so in the Bugzilla website, so you will be able to find that. That's for Bugzilla. To download the Bugzilla, you have to put your email ID to get started if you already have an account. So in my case, when I put my email ID, it shows the account already exists, right? So it means that I have somewhere created the account, able to save now. Okay, forget the user ID. So I have to enter my email and the correct password in order to gain access to the account. Correct. Here I am putting my password. Okay. Now I can login. It says that email will be like that. It will be verified, right? So I have to check it with my email whether I receive it or not. From there I will be creating. You can always start with creating a new the base option, right? So that you will be able to figure out that whatever it is written in the error section, you can just read it, and once you read it, you can just able to know, do follow the same. Okay, so a mail will be marked on my email that whether I received any ID or not. Okay, it's a mail. Okay, and we'll be able to reset our. Is not listed, then you click what was the product? It Firefox component was general. effect the dev- the bug to produce given it result GHFH Rakesh Ravi. What is- If say for an example, stop abusing Bugzilla will use your account. Use landfill Mozilla. Why this is given? Because you if you are provided an bug in the Bugzilla, a genuine bug, then your account may be suspended. Uh, Taking the time of those developer. Really avoid giving any false, even if you have provided any demo bugs, if you just to try, then you should immediately close it or immediately delete it. Okay, remember that, or you can write that this is a test bug. Okay, so what you need to do if you want that, okay, this particular problem is there, but however I am facing some this click it bug. To click on edit bug, it will let you edit a performance question mark, whatever. It's Firefox 1, Firefox 102, Firefox 11, web component was what priority. So if you're the owner, you will be able to what? You will be able to edit your bug. If you are not, for example, I am having a developer, I am having a team of 3 members. Now someone else is going to work on that particular bug. So I can just give them access ID, they can access the bug and they can fix it. They work on the bug. Okay. So you can just edit it, you can edit the bug, you can edit the update, you can edit everything from it. Said new or clone. If you have a simple kind of this, but it is a clone, create a new bug. It's a create a new bug. If this is not something to solve your problem, simply create a bug. A new bug, it will let you create new type of bug that is you are finding. It will ask you the environment. So once you put that Mozilla is my, will it what? You'll be able to search it. Once you search issue, if these issues, these bugs are related to your bug, click on my issue is not listed. It will ask you the summary of that particular bug. Okay, what did you do? Step to reproduce. Basically, what did you do? What happened and what should happen? You already know. This is the requirement. This is the basically test plan of the test that will be writing the test case. How should test a software or module? Then the actual result. What is the actual result? What should be the expectation for the software? Here I will put the words in. For example, how words in the Firefox in. For example, whatever Firefox browser you have downloaded in PC, run it, see the properties, you will be able to see. Okay, so say for an example, in my case, so what did I do? Found the bug. So click on sign in option is moving. The process is in the login is in the process and it will get complete after submit. So actual output, how the software should behave. The user should be able to log in with defect report, the request for enhancement. This is the defect report. Security. Many users could be if it is on my device, then only will check. Otherwise, not required. Okay. So this is how first you did happen. Means what is the result that you are getting? What should be the security option? If the problem is with on your device and you want the service to with your device, checkbox. In my case, I have tested on my devices like phone,